Picture the thunderous arrival of trucks at a bustling factory, their engines rumbling as they line up at the gates, each one carrying a precious cargo that fuels an entire industry. The air is thick with anticipation as drivers exchange nods with security guards, signaling the start of another busy day. This is not just any ordinary delivery. This is the lifeblood of the Philippines' thriving cassava sector, arriving in waves, ready to be transformed. Each truck bed is heaped with mountains of freshly harvested cassava roots, their earthy aroma filling the air. These roots, still caked with soil from distant farms, represent months of hard work by farmers across the countryside. The sheer volume is staggering, ton after ton of cassava, destined to become everything from food staples to industrial products. Inside the factory gates, a well-choreographed ballet begins. Workers expertly maneuver forklifts, their movements swift and precise as they unload the heavy cargo. Conveyor belts spring to life, humming with purpose as they carry the roots deeper into the heart of the facility. This is the beating heart of the Philippines' cassava industry, a place where human skill and mechanical power unite in perfect harmony. The first batch of roots is unloaded with practiced efficiency, launching a relentless 10-minute transformation. In this short window, raw cassava is set on a journey that will see it cleaned, chopped, ground, and processed into a variety of valuable products. Every second is accounted for, every movement calculated to maximize output and minimize waste. Massive machines, some towering over the workers, work in perfect harmony. Their gears and belts move with mechanical precision, converting raw roots into flour, starch, and other essential goods at breakneck speed. The scale of the operation is awe-inspiring, hundreds of tons processed each day with every machine playing its part in this industrial symphony. Every worker plays a crucial role in this intricate dance of efficiency and precision. From the operators who monitor the machines to the quality control teams who inspect each batch, everyone is focused on maintaining the highest standards. Their expertise ensures that the final products are safe, nutritious, and ready for markets both local and international. The roots encounter a series of mechanical giants, each designed for a specific task. First, powerful washers scrub away dirt and debris, leaving the cassava gleaming and clean. Next, industrial grinders reduce the roots to a fine pulp, preparing them for further processing. Each stage is a marvel of engineering, designed to extract the maximum value from every single root. The cacophony of machinery is a symphony of progress where every second counts. The rhythmic clatter of gears, the hiss of steam, and the steady thrum of conveyor belts create a soundtrack of productivity. In this environment, time is money, and efficiency is the key to success. Here, tradition meets technology in a remarkable fusion. Farmers who once processed cassava by hand now witness the power of automation, as age-old practices are elevated by cutting-edge machinery. This partnership between past and present is what drives the industry forward, ensuring that cassava farming remains both sustainable and profitable for generations to come. This is the Philippines' cassava processing powerhouse, a beacon of productivity and innovation. From the moment the trucks arrive to the final packaging of finished goods, every step is a testament to human ingenuity and determination. In these factories, the humble cassava root is transformed into products that feed families, support industries, and power economies. The thrill of cassava processing is not just in the machinery or the scale, but in the promise of a brighter, more prosperous future for all. Cassava's journey begins in the lush, sun-drenched fields of the Philippines where the landscape is painted in endless shades of green. Here, the climate and rich volcanic soil create the perfect environment for this remarkable root crop to thrive. Cassava is more than just a plant. It's a lifeline for countless Filipino communities, providing both food and income for families across the archipelago. The story of cassava is deeply woven into the fabric of rural life, shaping traditions and sustaining livelihoods for generations. Every day, dedicated farmers rise with the sun to nurture their cassava crops. With practiced hands, they plant, weed, and care for each row, drawing on knowledge passed down through the years. Their expertise ensures that each plant receives the attention it needs to grow strong and healthy. For these farmers, cassava is not just a crop, it's a source of pride and a symbol of resilience in the face of changing weather and economic challenges. When harvest season arrives, the fields come alive with activity. Harvesting cassava is a demanding, labor-intensive process that requires both strength and skill. Farmers carefully dig up the roots by hand, working in teams to ensure that each cassava root is lifted from the earth without damage. The roots, thick and starchy, are gathered into piles, each one representing months of hard work and patience. This moment is a celebration of the farmer's dedication and the land's bounty. Once harvested, the race against time begins. Freshness is crucial, as cassava roots must be processed quickly to preserve their quality. Loaded onto trucks, the roots embark on a journey along winding rural roads passing through villages and countryside. drivers and workers coordinate closely, ensuring that the precious cargo reaches the factory gates as swiftly as possible. The journey is a testament to the teamwork and coordination that underpin the entire cassava supply chain. At the factory, the arrival of each truck is met with anticipation. Workers quickly unload the roots, carefully weighing and inspecting each batch. Only the best cassava is selected for processing, as quality standards are rigorously maintained. This crucial step ensures that the final products meet the high expectations of both local and international markets. The inspection process is both meticulous and efficient, reflecting the factory's commitment to excellence. The intake area of the factory is a hive of activity, buzzing with the sounds of machinery and the movement of workers. Here, precision and speed are essential as tons of cassava roots are sorted and prepared for the next stage of processing. Every worker plays a vital role, from operating heavy equipment to managing logistics, ensuring that the flow of cassava remains uninterrupted. The energy and focus in this space are palpable, driving the entire operation forward. Inside the sprawling processing facility, the scale of the operation becomes clear. Every day, thousands of tons of cassava roots are handled, cleaned, and prepared for transformation. This massive undertaking highlights the Philippines' position as a global leader in cassava production and processing. The factory's advanced technology and skilled workforce work in harmony, turning raw roots into a wide array of valuable products that reach markets around the world. The journey from field to factory is just the beginning of cassava's incredible transformation. From these humble roots, a world of possibilities emerges, fueling industries, feeding families, and connecting communities across continents. As the roots move from the hands of farmers to the heart of modern processing lines, they carry with them the hopes, dreams, and hard work of everyone involved in this remarkable journey. In the heart of the plant, the cleaning and preparation phase is a spectacle of industrial might. Massive washers and conveyor belts handle enormous volumes, ensuring each root is spotless. Powerful jets of water blast away dirt, leaving roots pristine. Mechanical marvels peel and slice the roots, all in perfect harmony. The speed and precision here are awe-inspiring, reflecting a commitment to excellence. This phase is crucial, setting the stage for high-tech extraction. The roots are now ready for their transformation into valuable products. After being thoroughly cleaned and carefully prepped, the cassava roots are ready to begin their transformation. They move along conveyor belts, entering the starch extraction area, often referred to as the very heart of the plant. This is where the magic of modern food processing truly comes alive, and where raw agricultural produce is turned into a valuable ingredient used around the world. The journey from root to refined starch is a fascinating blend of tradition and cutting-edge technology, all happening on a massive industrial scale. Here, giant rasping machines take over, shredding the tough cassava roots into a fine, fibrous pulp. This step is crucial, as it breaks down the dense root structure and exposes the starch granules hidden inside. Water is then added and the mixture is vigorously agitated, forming a thick, milky slurry. This slurry is the starting point for starch extraction, and its quality determines the efficiency of the entire process. The combination of mechanical force and water ensures that as much starch as possible is released from the root fibers. Next, the slurry is pumped into a series of hydrocyclones, sophisticated machines that use powerful centrifugal force to separate the valuable starch from the fibrous residue. As the slurry spins rapidly, the heavier starch particles are flung outward and collected, while lighter fibers and impurities are washed away. This process is highly efficient, producing a pure, concentrated starch slurry that is free from unwanted materials. The use of hydrocyclones represents a leap forward in starch extraction technology, allowing for greater yields and higher purity than ever before. The scale of these operations is truly staggering. In a single day, a modern cassava starch plant can process thousands of tons of roots, extracting vast quantities of starch to meet global demand. Massive storage tanks hold the freshly separated starch, while teams of skilled workers and advanced machinery keep the process running smoothly around the clock. The sheer volume and speed at which the plant operates is a testament to the power of industrial engineering and the importance of cassava as a staple crop. Every stage of the process is carefully monitored and controlled by a combination of automated systems and experienced engineers. From the initial shredding to the final separation, each step is optimized for maximum efficiency and output. Advanced sensors and control panels track key parameters like temperature, flow rate, and starch concentration, ensuring that the plant operates at peak performance. This seamless integration of technology and human expertise is what makes modern cassava starch production a marvel of engineering. Once the starch slurry has been separated, it undergoes further processing to refine its purity and enhance its quality. The slurry is passed through a series of filtration systems, removing any remaining fibers or impurities. In dedicated laboratories, technicians regularly test samples to ensure the starch meets strict quality standards for color, texture, and composition. Only the highest quality starch moves forward in the process, ready for its final transformation. The end result is a pristine, high-quality cassava starch, ready for drying and packaging. This versatile product will soon find its way into countless foods and industrial applications, a testament to the remarkable journey that began with a humble root and ended with a marvel of modern processing. The final stages unfold in the drying and packaging areas, where starch becomes a market-ready product. Powerful dryers convert the liquid starch slurry into a fine powder with remarkable efficiency. Automated packaging lines, complete with robotic arms, fill bags with precision and speed. Each bag meets the highest standards, ready for shipment to global markets. The factory's ability to produce quality at scale cements the Philippines' leadership in the starch market. It's a fitting conclusion to the cassava processing journey. In cassava processing, nothing goes to waste. Byproducts like fibrous material become nutrient-rich animal feed, supporting local agriculture. Treated water from starch extraction is recycled, minimizing environmental impact. The industry's commitment to sustainability is clear in every step. New uses for byproducts such as bioplastics are being explored. This innovative approach opens new markets and opportunities. It's a forward-thinking mindset, always adding value and reducing waste. The Philippine cassava industry is pioneering a green revolution with bioplastics. Cassava-based bioplastics are biodegradable, offering a sustainable alternative to traditional plastics. The process converts cassava starch into polymers for a range of products, from packaging to cutlery. This innovation is opening new markets and positioning the Philippines as a leader in sustainable tech. The industry's investment in research drives ongoing breakthroughs. The future of cassava processing is bright, with endless possibilities ahead. Cassava processing drives economic growth, providing jobs and prosperity across the Philippines. From farmers to factory workers, the industry supports diverse livelihoods and economic stability. Farmers benefit from steady demand and stable prices, while factories offer skilled employment. Investment in training ensures a capable workforce for high-tech operations. The industry's impact extends to GDP and export earnings, fueling national growth. This success reflects a commitment to excellence and innovation. The future of cassava processing in the Philippines is full of promise. Innovation and sustainability drive the industry's growth, from bioplastics to new markets. Investment in research and new technologies is transforming cassava's potential. The industry aims for sustainable, inclusive growth that benefits all stakeholders. With its agricultural heritage and innovative spirit, the Philippines is poised for global leadership. The journey continues, with new opportunities on the horizon. The Philippines remains at the forefront of the global cassava industry.